fuel?
One more. Akshu, after you cross that roundabout, no, you have to go to the left. Then the dirt road starts. You remember it? Okay, and just hold out there because Ravish has not been before.
Shikari Devi Temple is about 18 kilometers from Janjeli and is situated at an altitude of 11,000 feet. However, when riding from Shimla, it is nearly a 300-kilometer ride both ways. So, day 2 was more of an endurance test where riders were required to ride on a narrow, twisty tarmac with many hairpin bends, keeping them fully engaged on a fine roller coaster ride for nearly 12 hours. On way, rider passed a lake, riding on a downhill, footpath scrapping 65 kilometers through apple country.
Your reflexes are slow, you're slow in braking, you're not managing to catch the dog running across the road, whatever. So, take a bottle of water, pour it down your neck. Cool the core. And for about 15-20 minutes, half an hour, you'll have an air-conditioned vest. अच्छा वो एक होता है ना कूल वेस्ट लिया से लो लेजी एस बाइकर को फ़ोन करो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो तुम कपड़े पहन रहे हो उसी को बना दो कूल वेस्ट
climb into Wolf Country. Up an ancient trail to Shikari Devi took nearly 2 hours.
When we are talking about two-wheeler, I have to say, given an opportunity, I will prefer a two-wheeler than a car, The reason is that when you are traveling, two-wheeler is one of the safest means of transportation. Means at any given time, you can escape around, you can, move to whichever side you want. A lot of people say it is totally unsafe. But I say if you have mastered that particular art, then certainly it is much safer to travel on a two-wheeler.
I would say that it is up to the driver or the rider how safe it is. You can be equally unsafe in a 4x4 and on the bike. Having said that, bike has got its own set of thrills. Like you feel more liberated, you're connected with nature, you're feeling that air in your hair. Of course, I'm not talking about riding in Delhi.
And even you can go to places like this very easily. These very small bikes, let's say like Himalayan or GS310, can do wonders actually.
Absolutely. In fact, I have a 850 and I chose to come in the ride on a 310. It's a light bike. You can maneuver it well. You can you can use your feet wherever required for paddling or rocking it a little bit. Heavier the bike, until unless you're really experienced for technical trails, I think smaller bikes
Are
make
more
sense.
True.
What about off-road air pressure?
If you are riding, big adventure bikes, you can take it down further if they have
How much?
tubeless.
Okay, in Tiger, how much can you do it?
We have taken it down to 10 psi as
10
well.
PSI. But here, how much are you using?
Here we are using 24-28, which is enough for this trail.
What is the secret of your being unstoppable? What do you have to say?
It's a mind thing. You have limited time here.
Okay,
So I think you might as well make the most of it.
great.
And being a motorcyclist or a biker
Yeah,
has always pushed that particular part. It's always wanted you to go that extra mile further, wanted you to climb the next mountain, go on the next trail.
so basically it is the motorcycle which has really changed you or made you like that.
Yeah, since the age of 16.
Yeah.
It's the, what we would say, the main culprit.
Yeah. No, I would say main passion behind.
It's responsible for a lot of things.
Yeah,
And also, you keep getting hurt when you're a motorcyclist. So
true.
you learn to deal with it.
True.
And of course, the family also plays a great part.
Yeah. Family has to
From
be
the
very...
time of your birth, they teach you hurt is hurt and you get over it. No need to cry about it.
Family has to be supportive.
Oh yes, totally.
Yeah. I am told you are also a very passionate driver.
Yeah,
क्या कहना चाहते हो? What would you like to say?
thanks to him, I've been on different rallies and started with Raid the Himalaya.
Okay.
Now I've been doing recce's and adventure trips with him.
Okay.
So it's been a very good experience. I've been doing this for the last 5 years.
Okay. Haji, Arjun. So as a new biker, what you have to say?
Today's been good so far.
Yeah.
Picking up a lot of bikes,
You enjoyed?
not my own. Yeah, it's
enjoyed?
been good so far. Now the downhill is coming, so
You're charged up now?
I was charged up in the morning. only.
Okay. So fully motivated now. More motivated. More motivated.
Yeah, yeah.
We are thoroughly enjoying the ride.
Okay.
Amazing. मतलब no words to tell about this trail.
On return, riders cross another grueling pass known as Magru Gala, leaving behind the Saraj Valley. On way, the sight of Satluj River running parallel to the road added more drama to this beautiful ride. Sunset over the hills with cool breeze tried to cool down the roaring engines, but the growling engine noise on twisty corners kept pumping the adrenaline